sa kaday.
Mr. Fashionista, rampa lang, rampa lang. Mr. Fashionista, hala sige rampa. Mr. Fashionista.
What's up, Fashionista, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, guys, ay gagawa po ako ng costume kasi papalapit na po yung birthday ng aking bunsong kapatid. Kaya guys, sumanda po kayo kasi this costume is very elegant and bonggahan talaga ito, guys, no? Para siyang sasali sa sa ball gown sa ABS-CBN. So you know, guys, ang gagamitin kong materials ay Trapal, Magazines, and you know, guys, yung bubble wrap. Kaya guys, no, humanda po kayo kasi I will do my best na ma-impress kayo, guys, no, sa gagawin kong costume. Kaya guys, tara! So bago kayo magpatuloy, guys, mag-subscribe muna sa channel ko and hit the bell button! Ding, 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 ding! Keep on watching!
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no, I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. 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 Don't be scared. Just open up, don't be scared.
Guys, tapos na po siya. 9 hours ko lang siya natapos, guys, no? Yan po siya. So by the way, guys, yung dito nilagyan ko lang siya ng magazine at saka of course, guys, yung bubble wrap. So yan siya, guys. Yan na po yung result, guys, no? Ganda. So good luck sa photoshoot tomorrow. Bye-bye! hirap talaga maging isang photographer or mag-videographer kasi guys, lalo na po yung bata ang kukuhanin mo ng picture or mag-video sa kanya, it's very difficult guys. Kasi ang kukulit nila. And I hope guys, always kayo mag-support sa aking mga videos and please subscribe to my YouTube channel! And guys, huwag din kalimutan guys na i-like itong video. And guys, hit the bell button para lagi kayong updated sa mga videos ko guys, no? Kaya guys, thank you for watching and see you next video!